Alright, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the hologram like the one I have on screen. And to start off, what you will need to do is, I see I already have everything loaded in, so just want to delete everything, all the textures that are in there, and all you need to keep is your material output. Now the first thing you want to add is a mix shader, and then connect it to surface. Then you want to add a emission, and you want to add a transparent, not translucent, transparent. Alright, and there we go, we have our glow effect. Now we need to add a mixed color and connect that. Then we want to add two Fresnel. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong, but that's alright. And connect these two. Alright, and then you want to change this one to about 0.05, anything close to 1 works. Alright, so let me just switch the shader real quick so that my laptop isn't lagging as much. And after that, you want to add in a color ramp and connect that to the bottom one. Move it around here to make it a little bit brighter. And then you want to add a noise texture. Connect those two. Alright, for scale, you want to go anywhere around 200. Detail, anywhere around 8 works. Roughness, 0.75. And then distortion, 4. That works. Then after the noise texture, you want to add in a mapping and then a texture coordinate. There we are. And you want to connect object vector and change that to 0. So x0 and z0. And then let's go back into viewport render. And there we are. Now, say you don't want a white hologram, you want more of a blue or a yellow. All you need to do is just switch the emission color. Let's go with blue. Something like that. Go back. And there you are. So let me just go back to all the nodes just so you can get one last good look at what you need to add. So mix shader, and then connect that to a transparent BSDF, an emission, and then into a color mix to a Fresnel. I don't know how to say that word. Connect those two. Make sure the top one is 0.05. Then for the bottom one, you want to add into a color ramp, and then put that color ramp into a noise texture, and then make sure a noise texture. Oh, I didn't even connect these two. That's funny. Scale, you want to go 200. Detail 8. Roughness 0.75. We can leave that one alone. Distortion about a 4. Then connect that to a mapping, and for mapping, all you want to change is the X and Y. I meant the X and Z to 0. And then for the mapping, you just want to connect it to a texture coordinate into an object. And there you are. There is your hologram. For more tutorials, like and subscribe. Again, I feel basic saying that, but I hope you have a nice day.